Hello and welcome back to Professional Tutors, the British online school. We're a team of qualified and dedicated teachers here to help you to reach your full potential. In today's lesson, we're going to look at how to calculate the area of a circle. Now here's a starter for us. We're going to come back to this at the end of this lesson. Now we need to know the formula to calculate the area of a circle as A equals pi r squared, where r is the radius of the circle. Let's have a look at this question. Find the area of the circle below to three significant figures. It's very important to read the question very carefully. In this case, they want us to leave our answer to three significant figures. Now we know the formula to calculate the area of a circle is pi r squared. We know the radius is 4 meters. If you can substitute the value of r equals 4, that's going to be A equals pi times 4 squared. And we got this answer here, 16 pi. Now again, it's really important to read the question properly. They don't want us to leave the answer in terms of pi. They want us to leave the answer to three significant figures. So if you plug those values in our calculator, we'll get this answer. That's all the digits on your calculator. It's always a good idea to write all of them to start with before we round the final answer. Then you write the final answer to three significant figures, and our final answer is going to be 50.3 meters square. And that's answer. This is the answer to three significant figures. Let's have a look at this question. Find the area of the circle below to 2 decimal places. Again, it's really important to read the question very carefully. In this question, they want us to leave the answer to 2 decimal places. And they've given us the diameter in this case instead of the radius. So diameter of the circle is 15 millimeters. So you have to half the diameter to find the radius first. We know the formula to calculate the area of a circle is pi r squared. The diameter is 13 millimeters. The radius is 7.5 millimeters. If you substitute the value of r equals 7.5 millimeters, and we can plug these values in our calculator, and the answer is going to be 56.25 pi millimeters. Again, it's very important to look back to the question. They don't want us to leave the answer in terms of pi. They want us to leave the answer to 2 decimal places. You plug these values in the calculator, and the answer is going to be this. So this is all the digits on your calculator. If you round this number to 2 decimal places, the final answer is going to be 176.71 millimeters square. And that's the answer to 2 decimal places. Let's have a look at this question. Which working would be correct for this circle? Pause the screen and give it a go. The answer is going to be option C. So area is pi r squared. Now pi times the radius is 1.5 centimeters. So pi times 1.5 squared, and that will give you 7.07 centimeters to 2 decimal places. Let's have a look at another question. Which working would be correct for this circle? Again, pause the video and give it a go. The final answer in this case is option B, which is area is pi r squared. In this case, they've given you the diameter, so to half it first to find the radius. So radius is going to be half of 5, which is 2.5, and you square it, that's going to be pi times 2.5 squared, and that is going to be your final answer to 2 decimal places. It's your turn now. Pause the video and give these questions a go, and we'll look at the answers in a minute. Let's have a look at the answers. These are the final answers. If you get them right, give yourself a tick and a smiley face. If you got any of these wrong, give yourself a cross and a sad face. But there's no need to be sad. Go back, watch the video again, and give them another go. And I'm sure you'll be fine. But that is from where we started. It's your chance again to apply what we have learned throughout this lesson. Give these questions a go, and I'm sure you would be able to do these questions now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share to stay connected for our upcoming videos.